Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is going to be a very informative video for all those students who have been repeatedly asking me about various colleges in Bangalore for BBA. Guys, I have created a very short and a crisp list for all you students who are looking to apply to various colleges in Bangalore for BBA. In this video, you will not only come to know the names of these BBA colleges, but I've also done a lot of research in the types of BBA courses that they offer, what is the fees, and what is the admission process for all these BBA colleges. A lot of you people are seriously considering options in Bangalore, while for a lot of you people are considering this as plan B, plan C, looking at other colleges like CUET, Mumbai University, and then are looking at colleges in Bangalore for backup. For all you people, this video is going to be very informative. Before I get started, you know the drill. In case if you're new to my channel, guys, please consider pressing the subscribe button right now itself and the bell icon, because on my YouTube channel you will get the most useful information related to various colleges, courses, careers, each and everything. So in case if you haven't done it, please guys, please do it right now itself. Now let's get started. Alright guys, first and foremost, because I don't want to invite any controversy with this video, this video is just a list of the BBA colleges. They are in no particular order or ranking. So there is no rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, all of those things. I have not done it here. Plus at the same time, I know a lot of you people get influenced if I say ranks and everything. So I have not invited any kind of ranking. The list is just a pure list. It's not in particular order. So please don't make any inferences from this list. The first college on this list, but obviously, is Christ University in Bangalore. Now I know majority of you people who are looking for various BBA colleges in India already know about Christ. Christ University in Bangalore has 4 different branches. There is Bangalore Central Campus, Bangalore Kengeri Campus, Bangalore Banagatta Road Campus, and Bangalore Yashwantpur Campus. Across these campuses, in total, they have 7 types of BBA programs. Now guys, I have not put the list of these BBA programs here because I will be making a separate list of the various kind of BBA programs and which one you should consider and which one is doing very well in terms of future prospects and everything. So that's why I've avoided it from this video. As far as the admission process is concerned, you all need to go fill in the application form. After that, you all need to appear for the entrance test, which is called CUET or Christ University entrance test. Followed by that, you have the interview, micro presentation, and skill assessment. For all of these things, if you want to prepare, just check the link in the description below for my personal sessions, and I'll be more than happy to help you prepare for your interviews with the help of mocks and everything like that. The fees of the BBA program is 2,60,000 rupees per year. Guys, this is an approximate figure because there is various bifurcations, NRI, Karnataka person, different specializations have different courses, but this is the average or the ballpark figure that you can take in your mind if you want to get into Christ University for BBA. 2,60,000 rupees per year is what you need to invest. And guys, this does not include your living expenditure. So in case you plan to stay in the hostels or in PGs or whatever, this amount is not inclusive of that. The second college on the list is Christu College in Bangalore. Now previously I've made a lot of videos on Christu College, their campus tour and all those things. As of now, they are offering 6 types of BBA program. You have BBA in Branding and Advertising, BBA in Business Analytics, BBA in Aviation Management, BBA in Retail Management, BBA International Management, and lastly, BBA Tourism and Hospitality Management. As far as the admission process is concerned, guys, they have a very super easy admission process. All you need to do is go fill up the form. Approximately 900 rupees is the application form fees. After that, you will be invited for the interview with the faculty members, and after that, you will get your shortlist. If you all make the shortlist, then for some of the BBA programs, you students need to appear for an accountancy exam. This again is for selected students, only for selected courses or branches of BBA, and your 11th and 12th accountancy is what is going to be tested here. As far as the fees is concerned, they're very well priced because it's at rupees 1,35,000 rupees per year. Again, this is an approximate figure because the figures can go up and down depending on whether you're a Karnataka student and all those things. At the same time, different courses might attract different fees, but this is the ballpark figure that you can take. Again, guys, this is also not inclusive of your hostel or PG or your any kind of living expenditure. The third college on the list is Jain University in Bangalore. And guys, they, trust me, have got the huge list of the various kind of BBA programs that they offer. Guys, right now they offer 10 different types of BBA program. You have the corporate BBA or BBA honors, and then you have BBA World of Work, which is BBA in entrepreneurship. Then you have BBA in sports management, branding and advertising, global business, digital business, business analytics and intelligence, strategic finance, BBA with ACCA, BBA in events, entertainment and media management. Long list, but along with that, they also offer 10 different types of BMS programs, which is offered in the Jain Jayanagar campus. The BBA programs are offered in their Jain CMS campus. Now guys, there's a difference between these campuses. I have made campus tour videos for both these campuses, so please go check out my previous videos and you'll get a gist of how a life at Jain University looks like, so please go check it up. As far as the admission process is concerned, again, they're very relaxed on the admission process. You need to fill in the application form. After that, you have to appear for something called as JET, which is the Jain Entrance Test, and followed by that, you have the personal interview with the faculty members. Guys, as far as the fees is concerned, to be honest, I've not gotten a real figure because they don't show their fees on the website. So it was really hard for me to track the fees. I had to reach out to the students. And again, with students, I was getting different numbers. But as of now, the ballpark figure that you can take is rupees 3,30,000 rupees per year approximately. So again, their BBA is on the higher side in terms of money. Some of the students even told me that they've spent 10,50,000 rupees for 3 years. So again, that means it's more than 3,30,000. But here's the ballpark figure that I put again for the benefit of everybody. But again, real figure you will only come to know once you've gotten the admission at Jain University. Next on the list is SJCC, which is St. Joseph's College of Commerce. First line of clarification that I want to make for students is that, guys, St. Joseph's University and St. Joseph's College of Commerce are two different entities. So please do not confuse the two. As far as the BBA is concerned, they currently offer 3 types of BBA program. One is BBA regular, the other is BBA in entrepreneurship, and the third one is the BBA professional, which is finance and accountancy, which is inclined with SEMA, where you have 9 paper exemptions out of the 16. The admission process, as we speak right now, already round 1 has happened. So round 1 is already over. I prepared so many students to appear for the interview micro presentation. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that hopefully they get selected. But at the same time, round 2 is going to be released very soon. So in case you haven't applied to St. Joseph's College of Commerce, please go do it. Guys, the admission process is very simple. You need to appear for something called as SMAT, which is St. Joseph's Management Aptitude Test. After that, you have group discussion and micro presentation. Followed by that, you have the orientation, which is the personal interview, and then document submission. So this is all that you have. As far as the fees is concerned, again, their fees is different for each of the courses of BBA. But the ballpark figure that you can take is 2,01,000 rupees per year approximately. And this does not include your living expenditure. The next college on the list is ISME in Bangalore. I recently made a video on ISME, so please make sure you go check it up. As far as the BBA program is concerned, they have one type of BBA, which is BBA which is approved by AICTE, the Bangalore University one. In that, you also have the International Business Program, where they will take you to Singapore. Guys, ISME is a college. It is not a university. So you are affiliated with Bangalore University. So the degree that you will get will be from Bangalore University. So I hope you know that. As far as the admission process is concerned, you will have an entrance test followed by an interview. As far as the fees is concerned, guys, the approximate figure that I could get each year is 2,70,000 rupees. And this does not include your hostel and mess. So in case you plan to stay in the hostels of ISME, there is another 1,65,000 rupees that you have to pay. But the tuition fees is 2,70,000. And yes, this does include your fees that you have to pay to Bangalore University and everything as well. Last college that I have on the list is Mount Carmel's College in Bangalore. Now, to be honest, guys, getting information from Mount Carmel's College was the hardest because their website is one of the most outdated websites I have ever seen. So you don't get any details regarding the admission process or their fees and all such things. So it was genuinely very, very hard. So my request to the management would be to please update your website because it just is very hard to track information. Yes, guys, last year onwards, Mount Carmel's College opened up their gates to boys. So they let go of this huge legacy of being called an only girls college and they invited boys. Now, I know a lot of you people have mixed reviews about Mount Carmel's College and I fully agree with that. So there are mixed reviews that I am getting from students, boys, girls, all those mixed things. As of the BBA programs are concerned, guys, they are currently offering 5 different BBA programs. One is the BBA regular, which has specialization in finance, marketing, HRM, and international business. Then you also have BBA in business analytics, BBA in branding and advertising, BBA in aviation and tourism management, and BBA in strategic finance. As far as the admission process, again, guys, this is all the information that I could get. Again, very hard to get. But some of the BBA programs, admissions are going to happen on merit. So that's a very simple, easy process. You go, fill in the application form, and they will tell you, congratulations, you've been selected. Unfortunately, you've been rejected. So that's how the merit list system happens. For some of the courses in BBA, they have something called as MCMAT, which is the entrance test. Along with the entrance test, they also have a personal interview. So you have to go through that and then they will tell you, congratulations, you've been selected, or unfortunately, you've been rejected. The fees of Mount Carmel's College is 1,30,000 rupees per year. So that is the fees. Again, this is an approximate figure. Each of the courses can differ 5,000, 10,000 up, down. So you please do your own research. Talking in terms of the campus is located really well. But when I was talking to students, they said that the campus is very outdated, like it's very old infrastructure and all those kind of things. Again, we can make a separate video if you want on Mount Carmel's College. I can do that. Another very important thing that I want to share with you all, guys, that this is not the only list of colleges that are there in Bangalore for BBA. There are tons and tons of colleges that offer BBA program, but these are the ones that came into my mind immediately when I was thinking about BBA, so I've made it. Now, each of these colleges that I've recommended have gotten certain pros and cons, so you all will have to do your own research or see me for a personal guidance and doubt clearing session where I can clearly tell you whether this college will be good fit for you or not. At the same time, guys, I have not included a lot of other colleges in this list, again because I felt maybe they're not really good or the quality of the education is not great and all those kind of things. So in case if you are considering that, hey Kavach, you have not mentioned X college, but I am considering to join that, please see me for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session where I can candidly have a conversation with you and your parents and I'll tell you whether this BBA college is good for you or not. So for all of these things, please see me for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session. Along with that, in case if you're preparing for interviews, micro presentations, please see me for my interview preparation 101, micro presentations, all those things. I put the link in the description below for that. A lot of the students who make it to various BBA colleges or different courses in India consult me for their mock sessions or for career clarity and everything. So please make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity. Guys, do comment below and let me know which are the other names that I could have added on this list, and I would love to consider and research more about and even make a video if a lot of you people demand getting knowledge about that particular college or an institute. So yes guys, that's about it for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you like this content, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Do comment below and let me know if you have any doubts, questions, queries. At the same time, do let me know if you want me to create this list for other courses, other cities as well. I would love to create such content as well. So just let me know if you want me to create such content and I would love to do it. In case if you haven't followed me on Instagram and on LinkedIn, please go do it right now itself. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys. Bye-bye.